Well, my name's Craig M. Jorgensen. I'm president of Quantum Telecommunications. I've been in public safety communications for over 47 years. I was past president of APCO International, past president of the National Association of State Government Professionals. I'm a member of the Radio Club of America Board of Directors, and like most people in the industry who have been there a long time, I've received a lot of awards and recognitions for my work. I was a state director of telecommunications in the state of Utah. I had served as the assistant director of information technology in the state of Utah, worked there for over 30 years, and our prime responsibility was building, maintaining, and operating a statewide communication system for public safety, Department of Transportation, Wildlife Resources, and all associated government agencies.